Wanji mama.
Ngenda kwoza ebintu ebyo mmerere n'oluggya abajja kukola ebirala.
Nyi mama. Hey guys, welcome to us being Faye, and today, as you can see, I'm gonna do the cleaning. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, and today I'm the one cleaning. Yeah, it's a bit cold, so I'm having my sweater on. So I'm gonna be doing the cleaning of the kitchen. So as you can see, our kitchen is a bit messy, and I was told to do the dishes. Yeah. You know, I see I don't have a dishwasher, so we have to do it ourselves with our own hands. Yeah, as you can see. As you can see, I'm done with the cups already. We're not many here at home, so there are a few of them. I'm done with the cups, so next are the plates. Yeah. I apply my soap. This one. As I told you earlier, we don't have a dishwashing machine, so we do it ourselves. As you can see, it's a long process, but you have to bear with it. I'm done with my dishes, so now I'm remaining with only one root. No, because so I clean also this area because it's also dirty. So after this side, then I clean, put this. Put my salt here. Yeah. Now it's so clean. So I come back here and wash it again. So I come to this area, it's also dirty like the same, so I have to transfer this air fry to the other side. Got to clean here. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, well done. Yeah, so I come to this side. First come back here. I've cleaned the other part of my kitchen, so I'm going on the floor. So I'm going to first do the sweeping. Yeah. After sweeping, then I go to the mopping. Yeah. First put this aside. I have to put my dirt into one area so I collect it. And first collect it from here. So as I'm done with the sweeping, so next I'm gonna be mopping. So as you can see, I have my bucket here. You know, as you don't spoil things, so we got this bucket from Plascon. No, there was what do you call it? Paint. It was paint that was inside. So when it got used up, so we suggested not to throw it away, and we use it for other purposes. Now we're going to be using it for mopping. I have this rag here, and these rags, first this side, we use rags. These rags come from old clothes, you know. You also don't throw it away. You can reuse it again as a rag. And I have here my liquid soap, so I put it in. Going to be killing the germs that are here on the floor. Yeah. To put it aside. So put it in. So before I start with the mopping, I have to first explain to you, because I know most of you have not seen it, or maybe you have seen it, but maybe you don't know how it works. So I'm going to get my rag here with water. So for the first round, I'm going to go, then I come back. I'm going to be wetting the place before I dry it up. So I get my rag here with water. You don't have to put much water. Yeah, so come here. As you can see, I'm wetting the area. First, when you are mopping, you bend. So before I start with the mopping, I have to first explain to you, because I know most of you have not seen it, or maybe you have seen it, but maybe you don't know how it works. So I'm going to get my rag here with water. So for the first round, I'm going to go, then I come back. I'm going to be wetting the place before I dry it up. So I get my rag here with water. You don't have to put much water. Yeah, so come here. As you can see, I'm waiting in the area. First, when you are mopping, you bend. Yeah. So when I reach here, I get my basin again. Then I first clean my rag. Kale nenji kunyame. Kati. After there, I wring. After wringing, I squat in so that the data remove here. So then I go back to my kitchen floor. So I put it at first. So now I'm drying up. Yeah, as you can see now, my floor is clean and oh, nyabulunji. Of course, I've added liquid soap with a good smell. We are going to sweep. We're going to sweep the compound. So, begin with this broom. This is an African broom. Yes, this broom it is made from Africa. Though there is no one that made from Africa. So you can get it at only. So I was still explaining. This is an African broom made from Africa. So you can get it at only £1. 5k in Uganda shillings and $2. $2. So I'm going to be helping my cousin with sweeping. So you have to first splash the water so that the dust doesn't trace up. Yeah. This will be retry. So after collecting my rubbish here, as you can see here, mazeo ilawanyirida, as you can see. So next I'm going to the other side. So for here, I'm going to start from this side up as I go down. you'll be wondering how this rubbish came up to here. So at night there is wind, it's windy this side. So we have trees here. We have the trees and orange tree and for that one I don't know. So the leaves here fell down. So and then they scattered down here. So I have to well, no, queen. So even here, I'm going to be collecting the rubbish today. This corner. And then the movement will happen. So here, we don't have those trucks that carry rubbish to where the recycled clothes from. So for us, we just burn the rubbish. So as you see, so I have collected my rubbish to here so that it gets burnt. Yeah. So as you see, no found here. That is sweeping. As you can see, I go away now. Oh, now I shut them. Yeah. Stick around for more content. Like, share, subscribe. Till next time. Thank you.